Good morning everybody, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So last video we discussing the topic Clairaut's equations in reducible. So what we have to do in that reducible to Clairaut's form, we have to take an x square equals to u and y square equals to v. We differentiate these terms du by dy dv value we substitute in given question, that after simplification in that x square value we substitution u, y square value we substitution v. So in that reducible Clairaut form we get an reduced to Clairaut form, and v is an v equals to u into p plus f of p formation becoming. After that formation we taken as an p equals to c. After this substitution the given question series in the form of x and y terms are there. So that's why here we have to substitute in the value u is and what, v is and what, u is an x square, v is an y square. These values are substitution, then we get the resultant value. This is the process to find out the reducible to Clairaut's form. After the some more problems is there here. X square y square plus yp into 2x plus y square equals to 0. Here to give and by reducing to Clairaut's form, here we observe here the question is in the form by reducing to Clairaut's form using the substitution. So some substitution is there. Observe here. So what is the substitution? Y equals to v substitute and xy equals to v. But generally is reducible to Clairaut's form is an x square equals to u, y square equals to v. This is the procedure to finding the reducible Clairaut's form. But the given question we have to take that values only. The compulsory we using this condition to prove reducible to Clairaut's form. Okay, here y equals to u, x into y equals to v. Now we go for the differentiation with respect to x term ఏం లేదండి, y differentiation dy, u differentiation du. So after this here which is in the form of u into v formation. So now we go for the u into v dash plus v into u dash, u into x into y differentiation dy, y into x differentiation dx, v differentiation dv. So now we get that solution is on what, dv by du. So this is the dv, this is the du value. After that here we substitution, simplify the LCM, x dy by dy plus y dx by dy. Here dy dy cancel, it has only x, y only dx by dy which is equals to dv by v. What we have to consider in the p equals to dy by dx is already known. Here the dx by dy, so 1 by p. So x plus y by p equals to p. Now we taken as in putting capital P equals to goes to x goes to that side and y goes to this side, that we written as in y by p minus x. This is the value of an y is in taken as in p into p minus x. Now we substitute that value, which value, x square y square, x square into y square plus 2yp into 2x plus y. Here y value is substitution. After that p value is also substitution. Just see this one, x square into y square plus yp, p value here we substitution, and then 2x plus y, p into p minus x whole square. This is the y square value. Okay, now we go for the simplification. Just simplify here, here simplify, which is also simplify. We get that value we have to take in. After simplification the resultant value is then cancelled, it becomes p into y minus x into y plus p square equals to 0. Here we observe that x into y equals to v, y equals to u. Already we taken as in the given question, so that's why we written as in p u equals to minus v plus p square. We have to take in v equals to up plus p square. V equals to up plus p square is nothing but a Clairaut's form. So Clairaut's form, what we have to do in that Clairaut's form, by replacing p by c. Now we get the general solution. In the general solution y equals to uc plus c square is our general question, but the given question is in the formation x and y term. So that's why we have to substitute that value of v x into the value of u y. So this is the our resultant solution. This is the process to finding the reducible to Clairaut's form. And also one more topic here, x square plus y square into 1 plus v square. This here we have observed this one. Just the given question is in solved. It is reducible to Clairaut's form. There is no questions are there. Now this is the formation we consider as an reducible to Clairaut's form, and anything we functions we taken as an some value equals to v. Here x square plus y square equals to u, x into plus y equals to v we have to consider. So consideration by generally reducible to Clairaut's form, x square equals to u, y square equals to v. Here we have to formation is there, x square plus y square, x plus y formation is there. So that's why we consider as x square plus y square equals to u, x plus y equals to v. Now differentiation, x square differentiation 2x dx, y square differentiation 2y dy, u differentiation du, x differentiation dx, y differentiation dy, v differentiation dv. So now we go for the dv by du or du by dv. This is the simplification. 2 is in common, dx is also common, dx cancel out me. Here dy by dx, here dy by dx. Now we substitute that the dy by dx value is in p. Here du by d we consider as an what, 2p p kadandi. Here actual general dv by du equals to p. Here du by dv is there, that's why 1 by p. So 2 goes to this side, 1 by 2p. Again p value we have to take it, again 2 goes to that side. After simplification, rewriting the equation in that formation, u equals to what, v equals to what, substitution in the dx square plus y square equals to u, v is the constant, into x plus y and 1 by p. Here the value is in 1 by 2p square. Total values are there in the above equation, then which is in the formation u equals to v by c 1 minus 1 by c square. We get that solution. Here we substitute v, u equals to v into p plus p square. So 1 by p is the we taken as in p terms, du by dv. That's why we substituted which is in Clairaut's form. After we substitution p equals to c, we get the general solution. Now we have to substitute in the u value is an x square plus y square, v value is an x plus y. That is the required solution. This is the process to finding the reducible to Clairaut's form. After that, the one problem is there. This is the soluble for x problem. You have to give here soluble for x, for y equals to is there. The question is, and what is soluble for x? Soluble for x means is the x is an only single term. Soluble for y means y is an only single term. So here observe this one, y equals to formation is there, but here y is an 2 times is there, x is an 1 time is there. So the question is not given soluble for x, but we identify the term. But we identified the question lo manaku soluble for x ivakunna gaani we identified. How to identified means is the x is in single term, that is soluble for x, y is in single term, that is soluble for y. Now here this is the soluble for x. Now we go for the x terms. Y goes to that side, 2px goes to this side, minus 2px equals to minus y, minus 2x equals to this one, p is also goes to that side. This is the soluble x terms are there. Now soluble for x we differentiation with respect to y, and soluble for y with respect to x. Okay, here which is soluble for x, that's why we differentiation with respect to y. Here 2 into x differentiation with respect to y, actually 2 into dx by dy. Here cancel and dy by dx print mistake, dx by dy. Okay, here with respect to y తో చేసిన x term ఉంది కాబట్టి here dx by dy, not dy by dx. Here dx by dy after which is in the form of u by v. So later y into 1 by p formation is there, u into v differentiation, u into v dash plus v into u dash, u into and y into 1 by p differentiation minus 1 by p square, minus 1 by p square. Okay, p again p differentiation into dp by dy. Okay, after 1 by p into y differentiation 1, so 1 by p whole, y which is also u into p, y into p differentiation dp by dy, p into y differentiation 1. So now simplify here, is the dy by dx kaadu akkada, dx by dy here. So that's why dy by dx equals to p, then dx by dy value is 1 by p. Here 1 by p substitution, then simplify. Here dp by dy is common term. After that the what we have to do in that simplification, every time we have to take an only dp by dy term. So other terms are we neglecting. Here dp by d and 1 plus 1 by p square term is not in dp by dy. That's why we neglecting the term. So p plus y into dp by dy equals to 0. Then p goes to the side, y into dp by dy equals to minus p. Now we have to simplify here variable separable process. P terms are in p side, dy in y side. So that's why dy by y plus dp by p equals to 0. This is the formation in y terms are in y side, p terms are in p side. So that's why now we go for the integration. Integration dy by dy. Now here integration of 1 by y log y, integration of 1 by p log p equals to c. So which is in the formation here log a into p, log a into b. Log a into b means log a plus log b, and log a into b, and y into p. Here y padaledu print. So y into p equals to log c. Observe this one, log a plus log b, log a into log b, and log y log b equals to log c. So log cancel అయితే y into p equals to c కదా. Here p only పడిందంటే y ప్రింట్లో పడలేదు కాబట్టి y into p equals to c. Here p equals to y goes to that side, c by y. This is the p value. Now substitute that p value in the given solution, we get the regular solution. This is the required solution. This is the formation. So only one problem is there, solvable for x. So and then reducible to Clairaut's formation is there. Then that question, the formation, observe that one, x square plus y square equals to u is a one of the more important problem. And then actual reducible form is an x square equals to u, but the given question is in the form of x square plus y square. X plus y formation is there, that's why we taken as an x square plus y square equals to u. But generally we taken as an x square equals to u, y square equals to v. But the given question is in the x equals to u formation, y equals to u formation is there, so we verify that process. That is the Clairaut's form. The general solution of an Clairaut's form, y equals to p into x plus f of p formation is there. Y equals to p into x plus f of p. In the u and v terms, v equals to u into p plus f of p terms are there. So here we only these two terms are observed. Here f of p and anything we have in the terms and only p. That is the Clairaut's and topic, and this totally completed in the second unit, first chapter, introduction to differential equation, first order, first degree. In that first chapters and solvable for y, p, x, do not contain x and v home, and then Clairaut's and reducible to Clairaut's. Total methods are there, 6 methods. Solvable for p, one term, y term, x term, do not contain x or y, and Clairaut's form, reducible to Clairaut's form. These are the 6 methods are there in first topic. After that second topic in unit 2 only. Second topic is an applications. This totally different process. This is the applications. It has an 5 topics are there. Applications, growth and dynamic, radioactive, compound, orthogonal tragedies. So these are the topics. Now we can discuss in the applications of the first order differential equations in next video. We will continue the topic next video. Thank you.